Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download any of your Canva designs as a Microsoft PowerPoint file. So, for example, this is a design I created in Canva, but I also want to upload it to Microsoft PowerPoint. This way, I can edit it in Microsoft PowerPoint. To do this, you just need to go to the Share option and select the Share option. Here you'll see the Microsoft PowerPoint option. If you want to save directly to OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, that's also available. But today, we'll be downloading it as a Microsoft PowerPoint file. Just click on Microsoft PowerPoint, download it, and it will be saved in PPTX format. Once downloaded, you can simply upload your PPTX file into Microsoft PowerPoint software. This means you can easily edit the file in Microsoft PowerPoint. So, that was a simple process, and you don't have to waste time converting your PDF file to Microsoft PowerPoint. You can directly download the designs as a PowerPoint file, and just open that file in Microsoft PowerPoint. And that's it, a short tutorial. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.